Hello everyone and welcome to ToPDF.org, your free all-in-one online-based PDF generator. For those of you that are visiting this website for the very first time, please allow me to introduce the website to you. What this site basically does is it basically generates PDF files from just about anything. Everything from web pages, you basically just enter in the URL, click on the convert button, and we'll turn that web page into a PDF file for you. HTML code, you can add your own HTML code or use our HTML editor and we'll write up the code for you. You can even create professional looking invoices. You can even add your logo, change the text color, heading color, and do all sorts of things. And you can even convert files, everything from HTML files, XML files, text files, CSV files, rich text files, Word documents, Excel documents, PowerPoint documents, and more. So now that you know what the site does, allow me to demonstrate how it all works. First, let's turn a URL into a PDF. Simply click on this link right here. First, we're going to enter in the URL of the web page that we'd like to convert. In this video, I'm going to be converting the MSN homepage. So what I'm going to enter here is I'm going to enter in the msn.com URL. You don't have to actually enter in the full URL. Page size. There are many different page sizes that you can choose from. I'm going to leave it on the default, which is A4. There are many other options that you can choose. You can also set margins. You can change the orientation of the page. You can also generate the PDF in grayscale. You can disable internal links, external links. You can decide whether to run JavaScript, load images, and more. In addition to that, you can also save these settings for the next time you use ToPDF to convert a URL. Next, simply click on the Convert button. And within seconds, you'll have a PDF file that's ready. You can either download the PDF file or you can preview it. If you have a PDF viewer installed, you will be able to preview. If not, you really will need to download and then install a PDF viewer and actually view the file. Since I'm on Safari here, I can actually preview the PDF right in my browser, so I'm going to click on Preview. And as you can see, this PDF file looks like this. As you can see, this actually took 3 pages. This can be modified. You can basically maybe squeeze this into 2 pages if you change the page size. So there's a lot you can do on this site, and there are many tweaks that you can make. In addition to that, we also have a bookmarklet on the site. You can basically add this bookmarklet to your browser, and you can save web pages as PDF files while you're browsing. There's more info on that in the help section here. It actually shows you how to install the bookmark on specific browsers. And in addition to that, there's also a way to add a link on, say for example, if you have a website, you can basically point your visitors to the PDF generator page. So if you want to, say for example, provide a web page for them that you'd like to convert for them into a PDF file, you can basically just add the link on your site using our generator here. You can just enter in the URL and the anchor text and click on Generate Link, and simply take this code and paste it into your page, and this way your visitors can download that link as a PDF file. Now allow me to demonstrate how we can convert different file formats into PDF format. Simply click on this link. Once on the page, you can choose the type of file that you'd like to convert. You can do XML, text, rich text, Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Let's demonstrate the HTML file option. Simply click on the Select File button. Next, locate your file. I have an HTML file right here, HTML sample file. Click on the Upload and Convert button. and this is the HTML file that we had that we converted into a PDF. Keep in mind that you can also change the page size, margins, and more, so you can tweak these settings so that the PDF meets your expectations. Same goes for text, CSV. You simply select a file from your local computer and then convert it. Word documents. I have a Word sample right here. I have them in different languages because I want to demonstrate that ToPDF.org does work with files that are written in different languages. For example, we have this document in Chinese, which we'll convert right now. And as you can see, it has been converted. Again, it's quite a few pages long, and you can always change page size settings. And then there's also Excel. As you can see. And there's one of my favorites, which is PowerPoint. I'm going to demonstrate how changing orientation can be of benefit to you. For example, I have this PowerPoint file here, which is in landscape format. So if I would leave it on portrait, it won't actually look very good. So if I were to go back, and change the orientation to landscape, I would have a PDF that looks much better. Now that I demonstrated the file to PDF converter, I would like to move on to the HTML code converter. Click on the Convert HTML Code link. Here you can enter in your HTML code into the box, or you can use our HTML editor and we'll write up the code for you. To use our HTML editor, simply click on the show link and add your text here. Now, a nice little feature that I'd like to point out is the ability to create a PDF with multiple pages. For example, if you're looking to put together an ebook or a report or something like that, you can add page breaks, which will basically be seen as pages to the converter, and what it will do, it will split up that text into multiple pages. For example, even if you want to put a slideshow of images together, you can do that as well. So let me demonstrate how that works. So this is going to be our page 1 text. Remember, you can add images and all that, but I'm going to keep this demo short, so I'll spare your time here. Simply click on the page break icon, and that will be seen as page 1 right there. So now this is going to be page 2. And page to text. And if you'd like to add a third page, you simply click the page break icon again, and this would be page 3. Then you can choose different settings here. You can add, for example, a title for the PDF, change the page size, add margins. There's really a lot you can do. You can change page orientation, and again, you can save settings for the next time you use the HTML code converter. Then simply click on the Convert button here. And our PDF is ready. As you can see, we have page 1 here, and then there's page 2, and then there's page 3. So I hope you'll get a lot of use out of this converter here, because it's a very powerful tool. So next, allow me to demonstrate how the invoice generator works. So to generate an invoice, simply click on the Invoice Generator link, and once on the Invoice Generator page, you will notice that it's highly customizable. For example, you can add a heading background color, heading font color, main font color. You can change all that. You can upload a logo. I'm going to demonstrate how that works so that you can see how nice the actual PDF looks with a logo and all that. You can even change the heading text. For example, your invoice is in another language, in a language other than English. You can change this text to whatever text you'd like it to be. You can even remove the text entirely if you'd like. The invoice number, you can leave it as is, or you can add your own invoice number. You can add a date, due date. You can even change the date format. For example, I'm going to try to keep this quick for you, so I'm not going to enter in any real information. As for the state, it's not necessary. So if you're in another country, just ignore the state. Doesn't matter. Add the name of the product, subscription, or service that you're billing your customer for. I'm just going to put down my product. Quantity, price. If you'd like to offer your customer a discount, you can enter in a percentage value. For example, you can take off 2% if you like. If you'd like to add more products, services, or subscriptions, just click on the new row, and if you'd like to add another row, just repeat that step, and if you'd like to remove a row, just click on the delete button. Currency, I have it on US dollar. Tax, if you'd like to charge the customer tax. Amount paid, if they paid you anything already, you can enter in that dollar amount. A note, you can add a note or whatever. And note that when you click on any of these buttons, a lot of these settings will be saved automatically. This is so that certain static values remain there. The next time you use the invoice generator, for example, the logo will remain there. The heading text, the font color, and a lot of that date format, your address, that information will remain there for the next time you use the invoice generator. Once done, you can either download the PDF or you can preview the PDF. I'm just going to click on the preview so you can see how nice it looks. As you can see, it's a very nice looking, professional looking invoice. that you can send off to your customers. And in addition to that, you can even print the invoice. For example, if you're mailing an item to your customer and you'd like to add an invoice in the box, simply click on the print button and you can print a nice invoice for them. So that's basically that. I hope you enjoy ToPDF.org, and I hope you get a lot of use out of it. So thanks for watching.